Hey guys, come with us on this microwave and double oven installation. The client had already removed the cooktop microwave and the oven. We use this foam block to keep the microwave up and ready to be installed. That way it can be done by one person. Check out our Milwaukee Dolly workbox. I try to keep everything in here. That way we just roll it in and we can grab whatever we need. We don't have to keep running back to the truck. It's kind of cool, neat, and handy. Milwaukee, if you're watching this, hook me up with a sponsor. Anyways, you gotta measure right, measure twice, cut once. That's the old hole. They over drilled it. My holes, I try to drill them specifically to the size of the bolt. This is the installation after we were done and we cleaned everything up. Like, comment, and subscribe if you like DIY content. Thank you.